Hey, it's Jenny Moore at home again, and I am going to share the pineapple juice that I made the other day for our girls. This is a very simple recipe. The juices that I make are very simple, but they are very nice and refreshing. I like to use fresh fruits, frozen fruits too. But I had this pineapple that I bought the other day. I feel that they're very sweet and taste. Um, so I just washed it, I peeled it, and I am going to cut it and get it ready to make. Cut it into squares, took some of those little, I don't know what to call them, but I took some of those out. And then I just cut them in squares. I don't like to add the cord to the juices. I feel that it just makes my tongue itchy, so I keep it out. And then I am just going to add water. I like to add a little bit less than the fruit right before it touches the tip all the way to the top. I just leave. The fruit for me has to be more than water. I added about a tablespoon of honey. I have a Vitamix which helps blend everything nicely. Now, the one thing about pineapple juice is every time I make it, even if I make it in low setting, it does create a lot of foam. So what I do is I just let it sit for a little bit. You can put it in the refrigerator or you can just let it sit by itself just for a little bit, and it's going to the foam is going to kind of separate from the juice, and then you can take some of it out and then just start pouring it. I bought the small containers off of Amazon. I believe I received 24. I can't remember the price, but they're about 8 ounces, and they are reusable. They come with the little lids and they have these cute labels. What I can think of the labels are for is to label the type of juice, but I wasn't going to do that, so I just added little cute quotes for my daughters to read when they're in their recess and they're about to drink their juice. It's funny because this is something that my husband will be taking to work too, so he'll be getting the nice cute notes. And there you go. You just you got your fresh homemade juices, and this work great for kids, for school, or for lunch boxes, or for work, or just to have. I am going to put them in the refrigerator so they can stay cold. Now this juice can stay up to a week and a half, good, but normally it doesn't last that long. Everybody drinks it here. They love homemade juices. Make sure to click like if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe and you follow. I have a lot more recipes coming your way. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on that, and please feel free to share with those you care. Comment if you like it, and comment what kind of fruits are your favorite ones in juices, and maybe I can make them. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.